Clemson Tigers. Bring it 110%.
Picture this. It's game day in Death Valley. You and 80,000 of your closest friends have packed the stadium to cheer on your Clemson Tigers. As part of a fan base notorious across the South for its school spirit, you take great pride in being solid orange. In the future, with the implementation of our Zero Waste initiative, you can be just as proud of being solid green. Fans at other schools across the country already do. At Ohio State, nearly 100% of the waste generated on game day is diverted from landfills and instead either recycled or composted. There, composting has become an integrated part of the Ohio State football experience, leading football victories for their season on the field and environmental victories for their future in the stands. Too bad we don't have that. Why shouldn't Clemson follow suit? What we're proposing is eliminating the waste from Death Valley by increasing recycling and composting capacity. Our Earth has limited resources and our landfills are filling up and leaching toxins into our drinking water. Eliminating the landfill waste on game days is exactly the sort of initiative that Clemson needs to showcase our leadership among our peers and our commitment to sustainability.
We know we want to accomplish this goal, so how do we actually make it happen? First and foremost, we must get the athletic department on board. And it's a win-win situation for them. They reduce their waste during the football season while getting massive amounts of positive publicity about how innovative and environmentally progressive Death Valley truly is. Next, we got to team up with Airmark to provide us with compost-friendly vending materials. Then, we hit up Clemson's biggest football fan base, the students. We will expand on-campus composting by adding compost collection bins with every recycling bin, so the students will not only be familiar with composting, but they will also be comfortable with it and conscious of where their waste goes. We will start this off by expanding from a pilot composting bin here in Hendricks to raise awareness of our program.
Clemson currently operates one in-vessel composter and one black soldier fly digester to handle waste from dining halls. But we need more facilities. Our largest roadblock at the moment is the lack of permitting regulations for commercial compost facilities in South Carolina. This obstacle isn't impossible to overcome, however, and we'll be campaigning to get the proper facilities in the area. In the meantime, we'll work on improving what we already have here at Clemson.
So, why should you give us the money? Well, we have some lofty goals, but we are confident that they can be achieved, and when they are, Clemson University will reap the benefits. First, we plan on expanding the Clemson composting capacity by building digesters.
While this is taking place, we'll be holding meetings with different groups, including Aramark, Clemson Facilities, and Clemson Athletics, to get them all on board with our project. With the support of the university, we can implement the composting infrastructure for the stadium and the campus.
Our overarching goal here is to have the bones of the Zero Waste Stadium in place at the start of the 2013 season. This pilot year will be a bit of a struggle, but we'll be well on our way to a Zero Waste Stadium in the next few years. And we won't stop there.
We have plans to create a Clemson Compost certification and zero waste partnerships around Clemson. We want to make Clemson a leader in waste reduction nationwide, and we are confident that we can achieve this by 2015.
So, what exactly are we going to do with the grant money? To kick off our program, we will install 3 more black soldier fly digesters. This grant is a necessity for expanding on-campus composting abilities, and we know that with this grant, Clemson Zero Waste Stadium can become a reality.
Clemson Tigers. Bring it 110%.